Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix DNS probe finished NX domain error in Google Chrome. To fix this error, press Windows plus R key to open on dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Now right click on Active Network Adapter, click on Properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP v4. Select Use the following DNS server address. Type in the preferred DNS server 8888. Now type in the alternate DNS server 8844. Click on the OK and OK. Now refresh your browser. Job done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like. Please take care.